Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating compelling promotional videos for your business. Whether you're looking to boost sales, increase brand awareness, or engage your audience, this video will equip you with everything you need to know. From scriptwriting to editing, discover expert tips and practical techniques using FlexClip.ai, your ultimate tool for crafting professional-grade videos. Let's dive in and elevate your marketing game. Visit FlexClip's website. If you're new to FlexClip, create a free account by signing up with your email address. If you already have an account, simply log in. This will give you access to all the video editing tools and features FlexClip offers. Choose a template or start from scratch. FlexClip offers a variety of professionally designed templates. Browse the Templates section and choose one that matches the style and tone of your business. Templates are categorized by themes such as promo and sales, lifestyle, slideshow, intro and outro, social media, education and training, birthday, travel, and many more. If you prefer to create a completely customized video, select Create New and choose Start from Scratch to begin with a blank canvas. We are going to customize one of the template. Add media. In this step, you will upload your own media files or use FlexClip stock media. Click on the Media tab to upload photos, video clips, and logos from your computer. FlexClip also provides a library of stock photos and videos that you can use to enhance your video. Drag and drop these media files onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear in your video. Now it's time to bring your video to life. Use the trimming and splitting tools to cut out any unwanted parts of your video clips. Click on the Text tab to add text elements such as titles, subtitles, and callouts. Customize these elements by choosing different fonts, sizes, colors, and animations. To add background music, go to the Music tab and either upload your own music or select from FlexClip's library. You can also record a voiceover to provide narration. Finally, add transitions between clips and apply effects to make your video more dynamic. Ensure that your promotional video is around 10 minutes long. Check the duration of each clip on the timeline and adjust as necessary. You may need to add more content or trim existing clips to reach the desired length. Keep in mind the balance between being informative and keeping the viewer engaged throughout the video. Before finalizing your video, click on the Preview button to watch it in its entirety. This will allow you to see how all the elements come together and make any last-minute adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the final product, click on Export. Choose the resolution and format that best suits your needs, then download your video to your computer. Your promotional video is now ready to be shared.